Payments made easy with Swiffta. Let's look at how to make payments from your Swiffta dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, choose Invoices, bringing you to the Invoice Management page. Here you will see a list of invoices already sent from Swiffta. On the right of each listed invoice, you can click an eye icon to view the details of the invoice or click the card icon to go directly to payment. Let's view the invoice first. The invoice PDF is displayed on the left, and all the extracted invoice details such as supplier and number, and totals including your negotiated discount are displayed on the right. When you're ready to pay the invoice, click the Pay button. Swiffta offers you software flexibility by allowing you the opportunity to adjust the discount percentage or amount for this specific invoice if required. When you're ready, press the Pay Now button, or if you wish to make a partial payment, you can check the Split Payment box, which will allow you to enter a custom amount to pay. Paying the invoice is simply entering the details required. Click the Pay button and the payment will be processed. Swiffta will save the card details for future payments. Back on the Invoices page, you will notice the invoice status has changed from unpaid to processing and the card icon has been removed. You may view the invoice again at any time by pressing the eye icon. Viewing the invoice again, you'll see the status of any payments and the remaining balance of the invoice. After the payment has processed, it will change to paid. Together, Swiffta and Swiffta create a fully automated workflow. Discounts applied automatically. Invoices flowing cleanly into your systems. Payments made without chasing paperwork or logging into multiple portals. All seamless, all 100% accurate. Swiffta, the faster, smarter way to manage supplier payments, powered by Swiffta.